Hi, in today's video, we're going to explain how to add new employees to the GoPayroll app. Let's say you have a new hire that you need to invite and add to payroll in order to send the new hire their direct deposit payments. You would log into the GoPayroll AI. If you haven't logged in or need help, make sure to go through our YouTube channel that has many videos on how to log in and troubleshoot. Okay. So if you're an admin, a manager, or you have the security level to add employees, you're going to see this module here called Add Employees, and you can click on it. And we're just going to do a test here. You would add the employee's email here. Okay, this is a dummy email, but you would add the email. This way, they're going to get an invitation to log into the portal. So make sure it's the correct email. Then you're going to do here test first name, and then you're going to enter last name. Obviously, this is a test. And then you're going to enter their phone number. And then it's changed. I don't know why it changed, but make sure it's the United States. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What's going on? Looks like I'm doing something wrong. Okay. Enter the phone number. Okay. Click next. Then here, you're going to select if they are on an annual salary, commission, or hourly. In my case, let's do hourly pay rate. Let's do $20 an hour. And you're going to select if they are a contractor or a W-2 employee. This is going to be a W-2 employee. Company name, this is optional. That's usually for contractors if you are onboarding contractors. And then hire date is the date that they will start on or they started working. I'm going to select January 1st and then click next. And then here, send email onboarding forms. What this will do is if you check this box and then click add, it's going to send an automatic email to the new hire with all the forms they need to fill out, such as W-2s, direct deposits, emergency contact forms, or any sort of forms that are set up in your system, in your portal. They're going to get it and they'll be able to click on it and fill it out. So if you want to send those forms, just make sure you leave this checked and then click add. It's going to process the information. Okay, new staff details submitted. And then always notify your staff members to check their spam folder because it's the first time we're sending out an email to them, and sometimes it might land on the spam folder. So that's it. That's how you add a new staff member and send them an invitation and also send them all the onboarding forms. All right. If you have any questions, make sure to go through our YouTube channel. There's many support videos. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. We're always adding new training videos and other videos as well, and it helps our YouTube channel. Thank you. Cheers.